Hello milk tea lovers, welcome to Chao. If you're watching this video, chances are you love milk tea, or you run a milk tea shop, or you're planning to start one. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please click the button below. So today is all about egg pudding. Egg pudding is used as sinkers by many of the milk tea shops and is also getting popular. I have been requested to show how to make it. Well, if I were to do it and to use it at Chao, I would probably start from scratch, making like caramel custard, or in the Philippines, leche flan, or creme brulee. But this actually costs money, and also it takes a longer time to make. So for today, I'm going to review a product made in Taiwan, and this is a ready-made egg pudding powder. Now this egg pudding powder comes per kilogram, so you can buy 1 kilogram. As far as the smell is concerned, it does smell really nice. So let's take a look together and see how it's done. And we'll find out later whether the taste is okay or not. For this purpose, I'm going to use 75 grams of egg pudding powder, 75 grams of white sugar, and 750 ml of water. Bring your water to a boil, after which you can start to pour the sugar in. First, dissolve the sugar and then in with your egg pudding powder. Let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. So our egg pudding is done. I'm going to transfer it out of the saucepan and into a container which I can refrigerate. So wait for it to be a little bit colder before you transfer it into a plastic container. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop this in the fridge for about 2 hours. And now for the moment of truth. It's not so bad. The texture is really nice and soft, and the smell is so good. It's sweet because of the sugar that we put in, and I think that a lot of people would enjoy having this in their drinks. It's not the same as having leche flan or caramel custard or creme brulee in your milk tea, but still, if you're looking for a cost-effective egg pudding and very simple and very easy to make, this is your choice. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.